We're going grape picking today. For these guys, Concord grapes, man.
How did you get up there?
That's okay.
Well, look at the fan for apples. Empire, Gala, Portland,
Oh, yeah.
Mitsu,
Charles.
Down.
Golden Delicious,
Down, down, down.
Bartlett.
What? Gee, well, you won't get up again. No,
Wow.
I don't think so. Oh, my goodness.
Oh my God.
You know you're not supposed to be there.
Some big cabbages, boy.
Aren't those big cabbages?
Wow.
Damn,
Apparently, they're the
Excuse
ones
me.
people
Move
really,
over.
the ones really
Thank you.
like for cabbage rolls.
Yeah.
Apparently they're.
What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.
Concords.
How do you pronounce the name of your farm?
Lipsitt Orchards and Vineyards.
Lipsitt?
Lipsitt.
And what's the address here?
446 Kemp Road West, Grimsby.
And if someone wants to come out to do pick here, and when does the season start?
Well, it generally starts about now, usually around the 1st of October. We've been holding off for, it's been very late this year. We're about 2 weeks
Everything's been
behind.
late
We're about
this
2
year.
weeks behind
Yeah.
last year. And so they're now starting to, it's when you walk out the door and you can smell them. That's when you know they're
exactly
right.
it. Everyone likes pumpkin spice, and I like the smell of the pecan.
And how long does the season last for?
Well, because we don't have a contract any longer, usually it was a case of, the machine we picked when we were told to pick, and
Exactly.
you might save a little bit, or but now it's a case of it'll until we get a really severe frost.
Yeah.
They'll take a light frost, but once the leaves start to go, then the vines pull the sugar back.
Right.
All the government cares about is one of
I was just told that you're 92 years young.
all right,
And you're still in the vineyards out here,
right,
driving a little tractor kind of thing.
yeah.
Man, you must love it.
Well, yes. Well, it keeps you active.
Keeps you active.
Yeah. I've slowed down considerably. I
Okay.
just take my time.
And how long have you been working the farm?
We bought this one in 1964.
64. And it's been in your hands since 1964. Wow.
So then we were down below the.
How many acres here?
Well, there's 97 acres.
97.
Yeah, but we have the bush back here too. There's about 20
Oh, so-
acres of bush.
Okay,
So we
so
have coyotes and deer and all those
coyotes
things.
back there.
Yes.
Is
we
it
do.
safe for me to be? Should I be worried? Wow. 92 years old and he's still going at it, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the way to do it, man. But these grapes are just beautiful, boy.
Yeah, they're beautiful this year. Nice bunches this year.
Yeah, I know that's
But we have to be careful. There was a little bit of mildew this year.
Mildew?
We had it before. That was because we had it hot and humid there this spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody has it. Everybody has it. But we don't want to spray anymore, so.
Interesting. My first time in a vineyard
Oh, it's the first time you've been in?
picking grapes.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Yes,
Wish me
okay.
luck.
It is a little bit of mildew, which, just, pick the berry off, pick the bad ones off, and just throw them. But you should
So all you do, you just cut them and that's it, right?
yeah, and actually you don't even really need clippers, but some people prefer clippers.
So we got grapes. These are Concords. And I've got my little snipper here. Clip, 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 clip. And we've got 2 bushels. Now I don't mind picking the grapes and putting them in there, but I'd like to know who's carrying them. Small thing. I won't be bothered with that too much. Been going at it now. Oh, little car is going by. Just in time to crank up my volume. Anyways, been going at it now for a little while. Got one there. Got the one there. But for some reason, I get the feeling that, I don't know, like a migrant worker, I guess. I don't know, man. I don't know. What the lady was telling us is that ever since President Trump came into office, the contract, so all the Welch's grape juice you would buy in the supermarket would come from farms like these. Ever since President Trump came into as president, all of that has cut off. All the contracts were never renewed. So all of these, let me show you. This is a big farm. It goes all the way down there and it goes far as the eye can see back there. All these grapes no longer has a home in a factory making juices. So it's up to people making local wines. And it's something that, as she was explaining, mostly Europeans use this type of Concord grape for any sort of wine because it's not really made for wine. And people like myself who wants to make juice, jellies, jams. And I was just given a recipe for grape pie. So yeah, it's a lot of grapes, boy. I really do hope, for the farmer's sake, people come out and support and buy, and because they are delicious. They are delicious, boy. There we go. There was $16 a bushel, so $32. And I'm trying to get a couple of the cabbages. They got these big cabbages here for $2. There we go. There's all the info you need. Which time of the year has the most work, do you think? Planting, maintaining, or harvesting?
Well, that's a good question. When we're finished harvesting, we have to trim them.
Wow, so your season goes into December then?
It goes all year. So they usually, after everything's off and the ground freezes, then they will trim all the vines. Then after they've trimmed them, then we have to tie them. Then we have to sucker off the bottoms.
Okay.
Or whatever, and we get that finished. Then we have, and we have to plant arms, which is new grapes, new vines.
So you're continuously planting new vines?
New vines, so if they grow off a long arm, or whatever, then it's long enough, and if there's a vine missing, then we can plant it.
Okay.
All right, so then you plant it. Then you have to, by then you've got to thin the apples.
Oh, so you're into apples then?
Then you're thinning the apples.
Wow.
You know, and so there's a little bit of time off, maybe
so
in the summer, in July, the end of July to beginning of August. And then once the apples start, the apples will start, and then we've got some early wine grapes that come on, and then whoosh, boom.
Circle again.
Yeah.
Long
and
days.
We go to market.
What's the average length of your day? Like, so what time do you wake up? What time do you stop working?
Well, we're usually starting 8 o'clock, but when we were picking for National, I mean, you know, you'd be getting up at 4 or 5, you know, to pick because they'd want to take the load at by noon hour, eh?
Wow.
But now, it's quite often that it's we're going 8 till 9 at night because you'll be sorting apples once it's dark.
I see.
At nighttime.
Well, thank you so much for having us.
Wow, no problem.
Hopefully some people come out. They watch the video and they come out and they support you guys. And the cabbage, I'm going to do something unique with that cabbage when I go home.
All right.
Not cabbage rolls, though. Yuck.
No? I'm going to do half of the cabbage.
Half of it with cabbage rolls?
There she goes. We got a huge order to fill. So if you do decide to come out here, there is a nice clean porta potty there. It is cold, so dress warm. I mean, check the temperature before you come out. If it's raining, it's going to be muddy. As you can see, I got my boots on. Dress warm. And bring the kids out. They're going to have some fun out here as well, too, boy. And they can eat a ton of grapes while they're out here, you know? My 3 reasons to go. Number 1, it is great fun. You, the entire family, can go out there. Just dress appropriately. If it's cold, dress warm. You can layer up, so once you start moving around in there, you can take a layer off or 2. And if it's been raining, just wear boots and stuff like that, right? Number 2, you can eat. You can have a good time eating these grapes, man. So besides being fun and fun for the whole family, you guys can eat as much as you want. And 3, most importantly, you know, you see a lot of restaurants and they capitalize on this. Local grown, support farmers and stuff like this. By going directly to the farms, like in this case here, there's no middleman. There is nobody profiting on the heads or the backs of the farmers. There's a simple transaction. You get grapes, they get money. No middleman. So you really get to understand the work and everything that's involved in it. And I highly encourage you to have a chat with these farmers. It is amazing hearing the story. And, you know, Granny, 92 years old, man, and she's been doing it since the 60s. Yo, that's real knowledge there, you know what I mean? Chris here, Gallivanting. Thanks for joining me.
So you guys have the most Concords?
Well, we've got the biggest acreage of Concords.
How many acres do you have?
We have 50 acres of Concords.
Nice.
Not really. Not now.
Well,
that's a lot of to try and get rid of. So we have a lot of people that want it for wine. Mm-hmm. And then of course.
Now, what kind of wine would you end up making with the Concords?
Sure. There's a lot of
because it's very
Romanians and you know, they've had them in their own country and they've come here and they want them. We've got people coming from Montreal.
Really?
For Concords.